Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So now in this video today, I'm going to be making a Cricut made project with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. Now I thought it would be nice to use this round wooden board that I got from the Dollar Tree and make a coffee sign with it because I found it in my design space for Cricut and I thought it was so cute. So let's put this together, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. So, and for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now remember to click that like button and full watch the video because this helps me to grow. And then comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now what you see me doing here is I went ahead and I took some masking tape because I didn't have the painter's tape. And I just taped it across the board. And then I decided to paint the bottom area in black. Now I decided to paint the top area in white. Now I'm really liking how that's looking so far. Look how nice that looks, guys. Now, for time's sake, I went ahead and I already cut out the vinyl and I have it on the transfer tape here. Isn't that pretty? And that was a free decal. Now what we want to do is go ahead and center that or place it exactly where we want it. Then we use the scraper to place the decal onto the wooden board. And then we peel back the transfer tape. So as you can see here, you do need a little bit of patience when you're doing this. You can't be in a rush because sometimes that vinyl does not want to stay or stick where you want to place it. So this is what's happening right here. I'm laying the vinyl back down and then peeling off the tape slowly. Now all I'm doing is making sure that everything is sticking the way it's supposed to on that board. Now that we have that down, I'm going to go over to the Cricut machine and get the other part of the project. Okay, now here you see me weeding this part of the sign that's also going to go on that board. Okay, so I spelled out the word coffee and we weeded that out. Now we placed the transfer tape on top of that. Use the scraper to lift the vinyl onto the tape, and then now we go to place it where we want it. Now I decided to place that coffee sign on the very top of the board, and all I have to do now is decorate it a little bit, and then this is ready for hanging, guys. So now I decided to go back to the Cricut machine and go ahead and spell out the sign station. So it would say coffee station on the sign. And that's what I'm doing here, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. absolutely loving the way this turned out. So have a blessed day, guys.